A good skincare routine is essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. This 3 to 4 minute video provides a step-by-step guide to achieving radiant skin through simple yet effective skincare practices. The video begins with an introduction to the importance of skincare and how different skin types require specific products. The first step covered is cleansing, which helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities. The host explains the importance of choosing a cleanser that suits your skin type: gel-based for oily skin, hydrating cleansers for dry skin, and mild formulas for sensitive skin. Next, the video discusses exfoliation, a key step for removing dead skin cells and promoting a smoother complexion. It highlights the difference between physical exfoliants, scrubs, and chemical exfoliants, AHAs/BHAs, explaining how to use them effectively without over-exfoliating. Toning follows as the third step, where viewers learn how toners help balance the skin's pH and prepare it for better product absorption. The video suggests hydrating toners for dry skin and exfoliating toners for acne-prone or oily skin. Serums take center stage in the next segment, where ingredients like hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening, and niacinamide for oil control are discussed. The video emphasizes applying serums by gently patting them onto the skin for maximum absorption. Moisturizing is the next crucial step, locking in hydration and nourishing the skin. The host explains how gel-based moisturizers suit oily skin, while cream-based ones work better for dry skin. The importance of applying moisturizer to damp skin for better absorption is also highlighted. Sunscreen application is then discussed as an essential final step in any daytime skincare routine. The video stresses the need for SPF 30 or higher to protect against UV damage and premature aging, with a reminder to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours when outdoors. In addition to the routine, the video shares bonus tips for maintaining healthy skin, such as staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. These lifestyle habits play a significant role in achieving long-term skin health. The video concludes with a recap of the skincare routine and a reminder to stay consistent for the best results. The host encourages viewers to find the right products for their skin type and avoid common skincare mistakes. Finally, viewers are invited to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare and beauty content.